An angle in standard position measures 270 degrees. The terminal ray of the angle intersects a circle centered at the origin with radius 3 at point Z. What are the coordinates of point Z? Time to show off my drawing skills, which are bad. That's a circle. This is a coordinate plane perfectly going through the circle like so. When you measure out an angle, you start out here on the positive x-axis and you work your way around counterclockwise. If we're dealing with degrees, you would be 90 degrees, you would be 180 degrees, you would be 270 degrees, and 0, 360 repeats itself, yada, yada, yada. I need to get to 230. So here's my circle. I'm going to go around counterclockwise from 0 to 90 to 180 to 270 and put a dot right there. Now, the radius of this circle is 3. We're calling that dot Z, and they want to know what Z is. Well, Z is the point on the coordinate plane on the y-axis, 0, -3. So pretty basic problem, pretty simple, and that's all we had to do right there.